Dr. King emboldened us with a new determination to struggle, to suffer, to sacrifice in order to let freedom be for all a reality and for justice to shape our lives.
We must consider that the questions, concerns, and demands that he raised more than a half-century ago remain with us as challenges and opportunities for change and justice.
His call to action, issued through his example, his words, his deeds, must continue to motivate us to confront what he called fierce urgency of now.
It's hard to imagine that 50 years stand between Dr. King's visit to our campus and today. What is our role in realizing King's dream? And isn't his dream really our dream?
It's good to be here at St. Joseph University. Mr. President, I want to thank you for those kind words of introduction. Father, thank you for your service. Thank you for bearing witness to the truth. Thank you, my dear young sister. You're so smart, so gifted. The world will hear from you. But growing up there in rural Alabama, I saw those signs that said white men, colored men, white women, colored women, white waiting, colored waiting. I asked my mother and my father why. They would say, that's the way it is. Don't get in the way. Don't get in trouble. One day in 1955, 15 years old in the 10th grade, I heard of Rosa Parks. I heard of Martin Luther King Jr. The action of Rosa Parks, the words and leadership of Dr. King inspired me to find a way to get in the way. Inspired me to get in trouble. What I call good trouble, necessary trouble. And for Martin Luther King Jr., I don't know what would have happened to our country, to America. He gave us courage to stand up, to be brave, to be courageous, to be bold. He helped liberate America. Our country's better. As a people, we are better. We still have a distance to go. And we're not going back, we're going forward. Never give up, never give in, never lose faith. We will get there.